DJI has officially introduced the Osmo Pocket 4P, its first pocket gimbal camera to feature two main cameras. The launch comes weeks after the company rolled out the standard Osmo Pocket 4 with 1-inch sensor, 4K 240 frames per second, slow motion video, and improved tracking, and built directly on the foundation while adding a zoom upgrade. The headline featured the dual camera setup. The primary 1-inch wide camera has 20 mm equivalent focal length and f2.0 aperture. Thanks to LOFIC technology, captures 17 stops of dynamic range. It sits alongside a brand new 60 mm mid-telephoto sensor with f1.8 aperture, offering 3x optical zoom, 12x total zoom for portrait, and tighter framing that older pocket model did not handle well. Both cameras support new D-Log2 color profile with 10-bit color depth. It shoots 4K at 240 frames per second for cinematic slow motion video and supports low shutter rate for light trails and motion trail effects. It gets 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization. DJI has also upgraded the tracking software to intelligent Follow 8.0, which allows multiple person tracking and subject following zoom up to 12x. For loggers, there is real-time beauty adjustment, including skin smoothing, tone warmth control, plus 6 built-in film color presets. Pairing with the camera is the DJI Mimo app. Unlock further color grading presets and formula. It has 103 GB built-in storage, so recording without a card is possible. It supports 3.1 USB transfer up to 800 Mbps, and the battery is rated up to 210 minutes with fast charging support. It doubles up as a webcam and supports Wi-Fi, live streaming, and web conferencing. It's priced at $561 for the standard package, which gives you camera, fill light, half 1x4-inch grip, storage bag, and USB-C cable. For the vlogging kit that costs $634, it's at DJI Mic Mini 2 transmitter, Viewfinder remote, and a mini tripod. Pre-orders are available in China, and global availability will start very soon.